In this video, I want to compare two projects. We are talking about Stablefund as well as Optimus, and I want to put the same amount of money in both of these projects and then track its progress throughout the weeks to come and see which project is actually doing better and whether or not these are going to be sustainable. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Eric here and welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a great day and are doing well. Today we are starting a new series. We're talking about two projects, Stablefund and Optimus, and I want to put the same amount of money in both of these projects and then track the expected amount that I should be getting based on what these projects are offering. So I made a quick spreadsheet. This is for 25 days and I actually already have money in Stablefund. If you've been following the channel, you know that I have about $1,200 in Stablefund. That's generating a 1.5% daily return on that money. But what I want to do now is I've been doing a lot of research on Optimus. So before it was their OPT2 token with wrapped Matic. Now they went ahead and they moved it with USDT. So now their native token is paired with a stable coin. That is obviously going to add stability to the price of OPT2. And something else, they've actually just deposited another $500,000 into their liquidity, which is now sitting at 2.5 million. Now, we made a full video breakdown on how OPT2 works and essentially how they plan on becoming deflationary in the future, because right now it's still inflationary. It's giving out a 1% daily return on people's investments in their native token, so in that OPT2 token. And then people can decide whether or not they want to sell that for USDT and lock in some gains. Now, it is inflationary because that's basically 1% every day given out, printed, and given to holders. And they plan on becoming deflationary because they are burning 1% of the liquidity in OPT tokens on a daily basis. So right now we can see that there's about 923,000 OPT tokens in that liquidity pool paired with USDT. So they should be burning about 9,200 tokens on a daily basis right now. Of course, more of the tokens are in this liquidity pool, more burns are going to happen because 1% of a growing number is obviously a growing burn. So that's their plan on becoming deflationary. So they have to increase liquidity in order to burn more tokens that they are printing. Now, who knows how that's going to work in the future? They are also going to be listed on MXC Exchange, which is a centralized exchange, in the coming days. So that's also exciting. But all of that to say is I want to compare both of these projects and just track their progress for the fun of it. I'm going to be putting $200 in Optimus. I already have about $1,200 in Stablefund. So I'm going to track it with this amount here. The initial amount of $200 I put in about 14 days ago, I would say, or about 2 weeks ago, I put in this amount and that was a test amount. So I'm going to track that with $200 I'm going to be putting in Optimus. Now, right off the bat, some people are probably going to say, well, you're obviously going to make more money with Stablefund because Stablefund is giving you 1% daily return and Optimus is only 1%. Now, keep in mind that the price of Optimus, their OPT2 token, is able to go up, whereas your funds in Stablefund are just going to generate you a 1.5% daily basis. Now, I'm saying just 1.5%. It's still absurd and it's still a crazy return, but we can see that the price of the OPT2 token has gone up, and it has gone up about 40% in the last week. So we can see that there is some appreciation there as well. And there's also the inflationary aspect of it, that people are getting 1% on a daily basis. So maybe that 1% is actually more depending on the price of OPT2, and of course depending on whether or not you secure those gains, because the 1% is always going to be the same in terms of the OPT2 token, but in terms of US dollars it could be more because their native token could be going up in price. So now let the games begin. Let me go ahead and buy some OPT2 tokens. I'm going to use $200 USDT and swap it for OPT2 tokens. That's going to give me about 142 OPT tokens. Let me confirm this swap and then of course confirm it on my MetaMask, and that is going to be me buying $200 worth of OPT2 token. Right now, that token is worth about $1.40 per token, which is why I'm only getting 142 for the $200 of US dollars I'm putting up. So this is literally the start of this series. September 26th, we're going to see how this goes and exactly if I can make money or if I end up losing this money. We are just going to put a safe amount. $200 for me is a safe amount. I'm not going to put $5,000 and test it out. I want to see how this works and exactly how I can generate money and without risking too much. So now that we have our OPT2 tokens, let me go ahead and go on to Optimus. Let me connect my wallet here and see exactly what is going on this dashboard. We're going to connect it. As we can see, we have our 142 tokens worth about $200. I'm going to be earning about $2 per day as I am earning 1% of this amount. And per month, I should be making about 69 or 70 US dollars, or also known as about 50 OPT2 tokens. And of course, if the price of OPT2 goes up, well, this amount in US dollars is also going to go up. So I'm going to keep tracking this experiment on this spreadsheet. I'm going to keep you guys updated from time to time. If you've enjoyed this video and you're excited to see the results at the end of the day, let me know down in the comment section below. Let me know if you think Optimus is going to be more profitable than Stablefund and vice versa. And let me know if you have any positions on these two. And again, I'm not promoting any of these. I'm just putting this into an experiment and tracking this for you guys. So if some of you don't have the money to literally risk this on a project like this, then you can follow along and entertain yourself that way. So hopefully I make money, but again, it's DeFi and anything can happen. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.